see hiccups.
Damn, that ain't scope you gargling.
Whew.
Hi, so welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the spicy noodle challenge, and I have some guests with me. Please introduce yourselves.
Clara Bryant.
D-Money.
And so we have the 2 times spicy, so we have to start off simple. So, y'all ready?
Let's get it.
Okay, I'm about to put my sauce in first. And then, if I can open it.
Oh my god!
Serve it up. It smells like the beef ones.
You look like beef.
Look at my hand. Somebody give me a napkin.
Thanks.
Here you go, sir. Thanks, sir. Hope it burn your ass. Hope it burn your ass. Here you go.
I don't even want to do it no more. Okay. Y'all ready?
Let's get to it.
Oh, I'm so scared. Yeah. Ready, set.
Why you got less?
1.
She thinks she's slick.
No, it's the same. 1, 2, 3, go. Is it good? Is it hot?
Yum, yum. Ah!
Go ahead, son.
Oh.
Oh, it's not that bad.
You don't see hiccups.
I fell on the ear just hungry.
Whoever drinks our first lose.
I got the hiccup. I got the hiccup.
Oh.
I can't stop.
Ooh,
yeah.
It's worse than the wing. Oh, sorry. I need some.
You lose.
Excuse me.
It's worse than the wings.
How is it for where? D-Money.
Oh.
I got hiccups.
There's no.
Would you like me to get you a refill?
I'm gonna be the first to get up.
Oh man.
You need some water, D-Money?
Ain't no worse than the wing.
Way worse.
Yeah.
I swear to God.
I'm need about
It's
2
way
cups.
worse. Whew.
Come on, y'all. We gotta finish it up. Come on. Damn, that ain't scope you gargling.
Whew. What? Hey,
Oh, doggy.
Chanel.
That ain't gonna help.
Milk. Better get milk.
I know it's running.
Hot mouth, what you gonna do when it burns on you? Hot mouth, what you gonna do when
It's
you
still hot. This stuff should not be sold in the store. What the?
How do people finish like? How do people finish the video?
I'm done.
No, you ain't done. Y'all ain't finished it. You gotta finish yours too.
I'm done.
Don't be over acting like you finished,
Have
sir.
some water?
You on the end.
We are.
Well, T, you lost first. You the first loser.
My nose running.
You ready, Marky?
Nah.
Go, you keep doing good.
Come on, Marky.
Bro, I'm finished, bro.
He ain't had nothing to drink. Finish the rest, go back.
I ain't had nothing to try.
But ain't nobody ate all their shit though. Nobody ate the whole bowl.
Oh,
I'm still tasting.
it ain't going away.
And they have something spicier than this.
My lips burn.
You better get some milk. Milk don't think gonna help.
My
Milk.
heart hurting. My heart on fire.
Your heart on fire?
Bro, I'm done.
Imagine when y'all had to go take a shit. That's gonna be lit up.
My
You
heart
don't
on
have a
fire.
hot
I know.
Sorry.
alley.
My heart on fire.
Fill me up.
Fell over.
Here, you been drinking mine.
Hold up, bro. Did you ain't finished here? Come on, bro.
This would be a good day to have your water cut off. That'll fix y'all.
Come on, bro. I gotta go eat some snow.
Is that hot?
Okay, so we could finish. Like, I don't know how people do it, and to think that they have something spicier than this.
Oh, we got something a little bit about like drinking lava.
It's like, so we're gonna have our replacements come in and take over.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Daddy.
The kids.
You know I ain't that dumb.
Please, hold on,
Mark.
wait, wait.
I'm not that dumb.
Ella.
Don't kill my water, bro. I need some more of that.
Look.
I see this.
Come on, Elijah.
Yo, we go.
I can't even get to play on.
I see you. Stop flexing.
I'll be back. Okay, I'll be back.
Last man standing is Elijah.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Well, Elijah's the winner. Elijah get $10.
Finish
Oh,
the
yeah.
ball.
I'm back.
Ma,
I need a beer.
You already know.
Ma, you was brave enough to do the wings.
No, it done ran my
Please.
blood pressure up. I can't afford to do it.
Just one, a little bit ain't gonna do that much.
I don't give a damn if it's a hassle stribble.
Ma,
Man, I need a forward.
That's the way how to make wings.
it make their wings taste like nothing.
But see,
I need a forward.
Ready, set, go.
What's in here? Meatballs?
No, C's. Dad, you need more than one little string. That's cheating. Go ahead, Ma. Get a lot.
No.
Go ahead. See, that's what we're trying.
Bullshit.
Go ahead, Ma.
Shit. Take this shit.
that's what you did.
Y'all ain't got my head hurt only ate one damn string.
Hey, bro, keep
That's what
going.
you get for tricking me.
Ooh, it's
Last
not
one.
Go ahead, Ma. Finish it.
It hit me in the damn head or something.
For tricking me last time.
Shit.
We all gonna be on the toilet tonight.
Put it to the tip of my tongue.
You say you cheated.
I don't care. I'm still going.
No, what the worst of your wings?
No, but I ain't roast. Daddy, you did the same thing Mama did on the hot tub. His nose is running.
That's
See, now what can you say now? You can't say we, what can you say now that you tried it
I think
yourself?
anybody can eat something like that, knowing when you sit on the toilet, your ass gonna be on hell. I would not buy that, eat that, deliver that, serve that to a cat. That will light your soul up. Woo! I only ate a half 2-inch string and my tongue is still burning.
No.
First of all, they should call them hell noodles. No.
So we beat y'all. You're the older
I don't give a damn if y'all beat us laying down.
Kids low key
Walk out, Ella. You gonna knock the senorita out of your
Hey!